TerrazzoRestoration.net, established in 1986, providing terrazzo restoration. We are the source for heavy-duty restoration. In this video here, the floor had many holes, hundreds and hundreds of holes. But these people really wanted their floor restored. So we came in and did a color match on all the holes, filled them in, grinded it down. Also grinded the floor down many levels to get to the freshest level. Then we powder polished it, and it came out really super nice. In this video here, all you're going to see is the fact we put the polish down. We still needed to buff it out to get it to the shiny, but you can see how nice it is. TerrazzoRestoration.net. We love doing terrazzo restoration. We are the pros. You can see a lot of videos on our site at TerrazzoRestoration.net. Call for a free estimate.